Hi, I'm Bob from Enterprise Electronics, and we own multiple companies. One of the ones, when Ted Henry retired, we acquired the company over here, Henry Radio Amplifiers. We now make HF 160 through 10, typically 1 and 2 kW, and they're built on the same backbone and frame as our 2-meter. We have monobanders. They all look the same because we're using the same unit. That keeps the cost down, so we can offer a really good deal to the hams. And these are made on monobanders on 6, 2, 220, and 440, and they're all 500 watts. So these are available for the guys with EME work and that sort of thing. That's henryradioamplifiers.com. So that's one of our two primary companies. The other one down here is our Novexcomm. Novexcomm is famous for Go boxes. For example, here's a complete Elecraft station. This has the KX3, the PX3 Elecraft. Back inside of it is the PX100, the amplifier. It's also, we build these cases with or without a battery. This one has it. And it's also got the charger and the charge gate. These are the types of Go boxes that we make. We'll build yours any way you want. Then here's another one we built for a guy. It's got an FTDX 3000 in it. That's the one he happened to like. And this particular one is for sale here at the DX convention. But we'll make your radio. We wrap the metal around it. It's all laser cut. And we build it to suit your specific needs.